喺呈分試 proofreading 嘅題目裏邊，老師好中意用 The Tricky Tool 去設一個文法陷阱俾大家嘅。大家一定要了解 to 嘅意同形，先至可以避免犯錯。首先，我哋慣常用嘅 to 係 infinitive to， 佢嘅意係咩呢？ Show purpose, intention or the next action。 佢嘅形又係點呢？好簡單啦， to 後邊加 verb 嘅 base form。 睇例句啦。 She wants to learn Chinese. To learn. He promised to help me. To help. They went out to buy some groceries. Show purpose. Infinitive to 係我哋最常使用嘅 to 嘅意同埋形。不過 to 有時好 tricky 嘅，因為 to 係可以變成一個 preposition。當 to 作為一個 preposition 嘅時候，佢嘅意，佢嘅作用當然係要嚟 connect a verb or adjective to its object。而佢嘅形 it must be followed by a noun or a gerund， 而再唔係 verb 嘅 base form。同學經常都會有疑問，個 to 字幾時會變做 preposition 啊？記住呢幾個例句啦。Look forward to meeting you. Look ahead to the future. Object to cutting. Confessed to stealing. Adhere to the school rules. Devoted herself to helping. Are opposed to increasing. 呢度 looking forward, look ahead, object to, confessed to, adhere to, devoted to 全部都係 verb 加 to 作為一個 preposition。 而第七句喺呢一度 opposed to 係作為一個 adjective， 所以前邊我哋要加翻個 verb to be。 They are opposed to increasing the tax。 因為 oppose 呢個字如果作為一個動詞，後邊係唔需要再加個 preposition to 嘅，可以直接去用 They opposed increasing the tax。 喺呢度希望同學以後遇到 looking forward to， 我哋後邊要加 ing form， 避免喺 proofreading 或者寫作嘅時候犯錯。